Distinguished delegates, esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Malta Freeport Terminals. We are honored to host this landmark conference, which comes at a critical time for the maritime industry. A time when our sector is evolving perhaps more rapidly than any period in living memory due to environmental and geopolitical challenges, and due to unrelenting technological advancement, which has changed the way we live our lives. The challenges we face have made affirmative action more important than ever, and bringing together leaders, innovators, and stakeholders in a forum of this nature is a golden opportunity for us to address the key strategies, technologies, and solutions required to transform decarbonization from a buzzword into tangible reality that will benefit our sector and community as a whole. I know that several of you out there have already set about promoting innovation and sustainability. At Malta Freeport, we have been doing so across all our operations as part of our vision to create and operate a state-of-the-art transshipment hub in the heart of the Mediterranean. We are determined to ensure that we are able not only to meet the demands of today, but also fully prepared for the challenges and opportunities of tomorrow. Ship-to-shore facilities are an integral part of the maritime industry's development and bring with them significant benefits by reducing noise, vibration, and harmful emissions. The government of Malta has embraced this technology, and we at Malta Freeport have been keen to seize this opportunity. Thanks to their support, works on a ship-to-shore facility at Malta Freeport terminals are progressing well. Once fully operational, the facility will be available at the North Quay of both terminals, resulting in cleaner air and reduction in CO2 emissions, equivalent to a saving of 4,000 tons of CO2 annually. This will strengthen our leadership in green port initiatives by offering an alternative to traditional power generation methods and, just as importantly, benefit our neighborhood and its residents. Malta Freeport Terminals firmly believes that investment is key. Since privatization in 2004, we have invested some 400 million euros in infrastructure, equipment, and digitalization to create a more efficient, flexible, and sustainable container terminal facilities. With connections to more than 100 ports worldwide, Malta Freeport has become a pivotal hub in the global economy. And our facility is today already capable of handling the world's largest container ships. But we also have an eye on the future, and we are embarking on the first terminal extension project in 20 years to position ourselves at the forefront of industry transformation. Once the project is complete, the North Quay of Terminal 2 will be extended to 688 meters and will become the principal berth for handling the next generation of mega container ships. Meanwhile, the West Quay on Terminal 2 will increase to 313 meters and will be operating feeder vessels. Thanks to the investment we have already made in the latest equipment and infrastructure, we are already able to host the very latest LNG-powered 400-meter-long container ships. After welcoming CMA CGM's flagship LNG vessel, the CMA CGM Jacques Sade, during the maiden voyage in 2020, calls by LNG-powered vessels have become a regular occurrence at the Freeport, positioning us at the very forefront of the energy transition in shipping. Make no mistake, LNG vessels are no gimmick. They emit up to 25% less than fuel-powered system and use 99% less sulfur oxide. This is why LNG is currently known to be one of the cleanest fuels. And CMA-CGM, which is one of Malta Freeport's main shareholders, the Freeport's largest customer, as well as the world's third largest container ship operator, is also leading the way in dual fuel ships, with 58 LNG vessels in service and continued support to expand its fleet. Today, the shipping line has on order the largest share of alternative fuel-capable container ships. CMA-CGM has also signed contracts for methanol dual-fuel ships and plans to retrofit ships for methanol propulsion. We are today pleased to announce that as from next year, CMA-CGM will begin calling at our port with their new 15,000 TEU methanol vessels. Methanol is an emerging alternative fuel that offers significant reductions in sulfur oxides, nitrogen oxides, and particulate matter emissions. This also confirms our commitment to facilitating, and we also have plans to go live with new tools such as the adoption of cleaner fuels and supporting the industry shift towards more sustainable practices. Malta Freeport takes its responsibility towards the environment very seriously. We have embraced innovations that will help us achieve our decarbonization goals, such as energy-efficient equipment, renewable energy installations, and the latest technology. We have also a long-term decarbonization plan setting out a roadmap for the future. Air pollution has already been reduced significantly in our port area. Today, our key cranes and rubber-tired gantries are equipped with advanced technology that reduce energy consumption and improves air quality. Light pollution has also been reduced as the terminal's floodlights have all been replaced with LED floodlights, whilst noise emissions have been reduced as all RTGs are now fitted with white noise sounders which function automatically at night. We have also set up a large solar panel installation on both car parks at the terminals. These generate over 3,600 megawatt hours of energy per year, and we have formulated a waste management plan that aims to control and regulate waste generation and handling at the port facilities. Malta Freeport is also triple ISO accredited, making us just one of 4 container terminals in Europe to achieve this international accreditation of value. We have also prioritized digitalization, which is crucial for modern-day operations in a highly competitive industry. And in addition, the cargo flow operation has been optimized by offering clients in-house portals with real-time operating monitoring. We have also plans to go live with the new tools based on big data, IoT, and edge computing to optimize real-time operations control. Malta Freeport is also proud to be one of the few companies in Malta to embark on a big data project with server farms for data processing located in Spain. The company has introduced Crane OCR that will pave the way to change entirely the operations on the quayside. We believe that today's maritime industry faces a pressing need to adapt, particularly with advancements in digitalization. And we are strong advocates of decarbonization. But decarbonization demands a unified global effort. Shipping lines, ports, and all stakeholders must play a pivotal role in creating a more sustainable global economy. However, to maintain competitiveness, regulations that are enacted at EU level must ensure that European transshipment hubs are not placed at a disadvantage when compared to neighboring ports outside the European Union. Such decisions that shape our future must be made at international level. This urgency was underscored during a recent high-level United Nations meeting in September. Leading European shipping lines urged the International Maritime Organization to establish a global regulatory framework that accelerates the adoption of zero and near zero greenhouse gas fuels in a just, inclusive, and timely manner. Yes, decarbonization is indeed a challenge, but it also is an opportunity to journey together. And this conference provides us with a unique opportunity to share ideas and collaborate to shape the future of sustainable shipping. Together, we really can create a brighter, greener future where economic growth aligns with environmental responsibility, and it is my hope that this forum will forge a pathway towards achieving the same. Thank you.